Hoosh is a talented individual with a deep passion for music. He embarked on his musical journey rapping in Saudi when he was 9 years old. Hoosh is 28 years old today, originally from Sudan, but has been living between the United States and Sudan most of his life. Considering his long tenure in the music industry, it comes as no surprise that Hoosh is starting to receive significant success in music. Hoosh's music spans various genres and tackles a wide range of topics. These include hip-hop, R&B, and soul. He has been constantly pushing the boundaries and innovating in his sound as of recently. Hoosh's lyrics touch on themes of mental health, family, and more. It is evident that Hoosh has always sought to deliver a message to his listeners. Throughout his different journeys, ups and downs, he ensures that his music offers relatability and comfort. With a musical style that captivates audiences, Hoosh currently has over 4,000 followers on Spotify and attracts over 59,000 monthly listeners as of 2023. His latest single, Pick Me Up, released at the beginning of May of 2023, has already amassed over 10,000 streams. Additionally, his most streamed song, Kabasa, has accumulated over 1.6 million streams. Some artists he has featured include Oframi, Paperwater, Man Man, and more. My favorite collab of Hoosh has been with Man Man on the song Kabasa. Hoosh's debut album on Spotify, titled Everything Is Going to Be Alright, was released in 2021, an album with no features consisting of 8 tracks. Everything Is Going to Be Alright has accumulated over 130,000 streams on Spotify. My personal favorite songs from this album are The Kids, Joria, and You Know Me. Now that we have covered a brief part of Hoosh's career, we would love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe Hoosh could become the next big thing in music? We want to hear from you. Please drop a comment below and let us know your opinion and which up-and-coming artists you'd like to see featured in our next video.